Good afternoon, everyone, respected principal, teacher, staff, and all my dear friends. Today I am going to speak few lines about Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was the first female teacher of India. Savitribai Phule was born on 3rd January 1831 at Nayegaon in Satara of Maharashtra. Savitribai Phule was the Indian social reformer, educationalist and poet of Maharashtra. Savitribai Phule was married to Jyotirao Phule in 1840 at age of 9-year-old. Savitribai Phule and Jyotirao Phule started the first Indian girls' school in Bhidewada in Pune. She opposed evils like sati child marriage and Keshwepan. Unfortunately, Savitribai died 10 March 1897. Her devotion inspired many Indian women awake, arise, and educated, mass tradition and liberated. Thank you.